explanation of the evolution of shark in the near future is that shark might develop long fins that allowed them to glide on the land more easily. This adaptation could happen if their environment changes such as rising sea level or the needs to travel across the land to reach water sources. With stronger and extended fins, sharks would be able to support their bodies and move more efficiently outside the ocean. Their skin may be also become rougher and tougher, withstand friction and protect them from harsh land conditions. This evolution would help them to survive and adapt to changed habitats. That's all.